Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today I am going to give the themes and title of the poem The Cold Within by James Patrick Kinney. Let me first of all tell you something about this poet and the poem. The Cold Within is a poem written by the American poet James Patrick Kinney in the 1960s. The poem is a pointed comment on lack of warmth and compassion in human relations. None of the six people who by chance are trapped together in bitter cold agree to put in use their sticks of wood. The poem, through the discriminatory acts of six humans, tries to depict attitudes of the human beings in general. Now, let me tell you the themes of this poem, okay? Comment on the themes of the poem The Cold Within. Answer. The first and the foremost theme of the poem is futility of discrimination. The poem deals with the theme of futility of discrimination or hatred that humans have against one another. The poem projects, again I am telling, the poem projects discrimination based on religion, race, and class. The discrimination, racism, and bigotry proves futile as none of the six people stay alive by the end. Each perishes not because of the cold outside but of the cold heartedness within each. Another important theme of the poem is lack of warmth in human relations. The six men in this poem are overtaken by the feelings of revenge, spite, and anger to such an extent that eventually these prejudices lead to their downfall. The six humans are devoid of humanity, and even when they are going through the same situation, they cannot cooperate. Warmth and compassion for each other is not seen in them. Thus, by end, each one of them dies from the cold within. Outside cold could have been taken care of only if they were not cool from within. Next is comment on the title of the poem, The Cold Within. The title of the poem, The Cold Within, is symbolic of lack of warmth and compassion in human beings. Six humans are caught against their will in bleak and bitter cold, but none of them uses the wooden stick due to racism, envy, arrogance, revenge, and greed. The cold is bleak and bitter because these six humans are not warm and friendly with each other. They are so cold from inside that they do not realize that by not helping others, they themselves will perish. The black and white, the rich and the poor, all are guided by animosity against each other. The white man practices racism, the black man's face is filled with revenge. These six people in the group are forlorn. Their cold heartedness invites death in the end. They die with their logs held tight in their hands. Thus, the title is appropriate as they died not from the cold outside but from the cold within. Okay, up to this much. With this, I am concluding this video. In my next video, I am going to bring something new. Until then, goodbye.